What's going on there, YouTubers? Welcome back to Paranormal Biker. Anyway, so I got some weird stuff happening here, guys. I need to go get a flashlight. I just come out here. So look at this. Okay, you see that, guys? That is a motion sensed light that keeps going off, and I keep hearing noises coming. Like woo, spooky crap. I mean, I don't know what the hell it is, but it sounds like people are beating the crap out of something over here. And I live on a piece of property by myself. This is a huge piece of property. I'm right off the highway. I'm about a 50-acre tract all the way back. So, and I'm here by myself. I am here all by myself. The wife and the kids are out of town this weekend. Let's freaking heart's pounding. I want to go inside and get a flashlight. See, the light, guys, the light that was on over there, and now it's just turned off. All right, I just turned on all the lights around my house. Okay. So I have a dumpster that's back over here. It's about an acre away with a Connex box. God, I couldn't have picked a more crappier flashlight. That was dog shit. Whoa, what the fuck was that? I'm hearing stuff over here. God, it's so freaking dark. It's my tractor. What the fuck? Oh my God. Excuse my French, YouTubers. That light just turned on. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Oh. No freaking way. The goddamn light just went off again. Okay, we're coming up on the Connex box. No. Hell no. Fucking light just came back on. Oh, no. I'm not joking, guys. There's literally rocks being thrown. Like real deal goddamn rocks are being thrown. My body has like goosebumps from head to toe. Oh, the fuck was that? Hey, hello. Hello. thought I was recording. Oh, that was my shadow. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. See my shadow right here? Oh, God dang, man. Oh, that freaking light just turned off on me again. God damn it. My freaking heart's pounding. Hello? God damn it. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, look at the... I got freaking goosebumps. Now this is over here. Sounds like an animal. Sounds like that just broke right here in front. Whoa, 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 whoa. I thought I just saw something. And I don't even know what the hell I thought I just saw. And this doesn't... Let me turn it around real quick. Hello? Hey. What the fuck is that? God damn that. That goddamn light just scared the hell out of me. Oh my God, my heart's pounding. Hello? Who's there? You're trespassing. What the fuck is this? Hello? It's still doing it. Okay. I'm not about to walk in these woods without having any kind of weapons on me. Can y'all hear that? I'm gonna have to try to go find a better flashlight, and I'm gonna have to go get my gun. I don't know what the hell this is. fuck is that? I'm going inside, guys. I don't have a better flashlight. I have the same crap-ass flashlight, but I got my pistol on me. It didn't take me long. I was gone less than maybe 2 minutes, and I freaking ran. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Did y'all catch that red dot too? There it is. It's on. It's just highway noise that I'm hearing now. I'm not... I'm just gonna have to. I'm not even gonna walk in there with a pistol at night. I might have to go walking in the morning, just to make sure it wasn't a trespasser. God, my freaking heart's pounding, y'all. What the hell? This long ass walk back to my house. Guys, I'm gonna have to investigate this more in the morning, so thanks for sticking with me. I'm not gonna edit anything out, so I'm sorry if the clip is extremely long. Please subscribe, turn that notification icon on. Until tomorrow, man, y'all take care.